Alright guys, so today's video we'll be looking at the Oraimo FreePods LITE review. This earbud was released into the market alongside with the Oraimo Rift 2, and we can see that it still is designed from the Oraimo FreePods Pro with some fantastic features that comes along with it. I've been using this Oraimo FreePods LITE for the past 5 days, and guys, I couldn't believe my ears. With that being said, that doesn't mean this earbud is perfect. Actually, it comes with its own fair share of the pros and cons, so I'll be sharing with you in this video the good side and the bad side of this Oraimo FreePods LITE. Without wasting much of your time, Babatunde Motal here, and let's get down to business. For the price, the Oraimo FreePods LITE comes in at an affordable price of 9,500 naira, which is equivalent to about $12 as of time of recording this video. I must confess to you that the price is incredibly cheap, and there's actually a catch to this, and you can even get it cheaper by using the discount code showing right on your screen right now, and this is going to give you 5% discount off from the price of this Oraimo FreePods LITE. Thank you for using the discount code, and let's continue with the rest of the video. The Oraimo FreePods LITE comes in 3 colors only. So we have the Nobela Blue, the Phantom Black, and the Ice Lake Blue. Here with me, I have the Phantom Black, and I think this is the one that is readily available here in the Nigerian market. And when it comes to the design, the Oraimo FreePods LITE look like the top dog, which is the Oraimo FreePods Pro. It is just like the watered down version of the Oraimo FreePods Pro with the same stem style design, the same length, and the rest. The major difference between these two guys is that the Oraimo FreePods LITE comes with the translucent design, which makes you to see the inside part or portion of this earbud. You can see the earbud battery, you can see the wires, you can see the earbud circuits, and even the glue. All of this actually added to the aesthetic look of this Oraimo earbud. The open lid of this Oraimo FreePods LITE charging case is also translucent. Aside from the low price of this Oraimo FreePods LITE, there's something else that actually caught my attention, which is the battery life. At the front of the back, you are going to see that Oraimo claims that this guy can give you 40 hours long play time. The Oraimo FreePods LITE comes with 40 milliamperes for the earbuds and a massive 500 milliamperes for the charging case. Oraimo claims that this guy can last you up to 7 hours of playtime on a single charge, and the case also provides additional 33 hours, which total 40 hours. During my testing, I was able to get 7 solid hours from this Oraimo FreePods using it at 70% volume. And also I was able to charge up my earbuds or juice them up for 5 solid times. I don't think there's any earbuds that can give you that except the Oraimo FreePods Pro. Another feature that you're going to find on this Oraimo FreePods LITE is the 3-minute auto shut off, which means that if you bring out this earbud from the charging case or you open the lid and you do not connect it to any device around you, within 3 minutes it's going to go off, thereby saving you the battery life. Though there is no indicator on the Oraimo FreePods LITE to show you that it is in pairing mode or it has gone to sleep, but once you try to search it after 3 minutes, this guy will not be discovered. So it's better you connect it within 3 minutes, and I think this you should also know. Before I move away from the battery aspect of this Oraimo FreePods LITE, there's just one more thing that I need to share with you. Now, Oraimo claims that this guy comes with Anifast fast charge and 10 minutes quick fast charge, which means that you can actually boost this guy if they are completely out of power. Just boost it up for 10 minutes and it's going to give you 120 minutes of play time. During my testing, this guy lasted me for 120 minutes of play time. Moving over to the connection department, the Oraimo FreePods LITE runs on Bluetooth 5.3 version, which is the latest Bluetooth version in the market right now. So you are getting a very strong and stable connection anywhere you are with these earbuds. In fact, you are going to get 11 meters of strong connection when you use it, and that is what I got. Now, they also comes with SBC and AAC as their connection codecs, which means that if you are using an Android phone or you are using an iPhone, this guy is going to connect seamlessly to your devices. Comfort wise, I didn't experience any issue with this Oraimo FreePods LITE when I was using it during my testing. It was very comfortable in the ear, and I noticed that it is just 9 grams. These two earbuds are just 9 grams. So if you put it in your ears, you're not going to notice much of it during your normal use. And when it comes to the controlling of these earbuds, they actually comes with touch control sensors on them, which you can see located just right above the Oraimo branding on the earbud. Now, this is where the catch is. These touch control sensors are a little bit slow when I was using it, so you are going to be having just like 1 or 2 seconds delay when you try to tap or pause or send your message to the earbud. So I think I couldn't complain much because of the price point. So it's something you can just still manage when it comes to the touch controls of this Oraimo FreePods LITE. To control the Oraimo FreePods LITE, tap either the left or the right earbuds 2 times to pause or play your music. Press hold the left earbuds for 1 second to skip backward. Press hold the right earbuds for 1 second to skip forward. You can also tap the right earbuds for 3 times to summon your voice call assistant on your smartphone. And also tap the left earbuds for 3 times to switch from normal mode to game mode. You can also sync it up with the Oraimo Sound App, which is going to give you more controls on the Oraimo FreePods LITE. Now, you can use the volume controls of this setting in the app on this Oraimo FreePods LITE. Though straight out of the box, they don't come with volume controls, but once you sync it up with the Oraimo Sound App, you can now change that and do other settings and include volume controls on the Oraimo FreePods LITE. The Oraimo FreePods LITE comes with gaming mode. So when you are playing your casual games like Candy Crush, Beach Buggy, Subway Surfer, or Playback 2, you are going to experience a little bit of latency. And also if you are playing first shooting games like PUBG, Call of Duty, you will experience a little bit of latency. Even when you switch over to the gaming mode, it will only reduce it a little bit, but you can still notice the a little bit of the lag here and there, which is still manageable. And if you are going to be using this Oraimo FreePods LITE for anything call like WhatsApp call, normal voice call, Zoom meetings, you are going to get the best out of it. It comes with 2 mic environmental noise cancellation technology that is able to detect and filter out ambient noise. So you and the other person at the end of the call will converse nicely with no issue whatsoever. Don't take my word for it. Here is the call quality test. Alright guys, so this is the call quality test of the Oraimo FreePods LITE. As you can see right in my ears, and this is what you'll be getting if you are using it to make a call right now. So it is breezy here a little bit and everywhere is looking bright and sunny, and this is what you'll be getting. Though my voice sounds a little bit robotic and it's deeper than it used to be, but this is what you'll be getting. You can't actually complain for this because of the price point. It's still going to get you to converse with the other person at the end of the call. So this is the testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2. Before I move away from the call quality department, there's one more feature on this Oraimo FreePods LITE that I need to tell you about, and that is the 3-way calling feature. And this feature works like this. If you're an active voice call with Mr. A and Mr. B calls in, you can tell Mr. A to hold on and pick the call of Mr. B without using your phone. And you can talk everything you want to say with Mr. B and end the call and go back to Mr. A and continue the conversation. I don't think any other earbuds have this feature except this Oraimo FreePods LITE. As for the sound quality of the Oraimo FreePods LITE, they come with 10mm dynamic drivers and a composite diaphragm in them. These guys sound bright, if I'm to be honest with you, just as I've said in my unboxing and first impression video. The bass is a little bit hairy, so it's not actually punchy in the face like I would love it to be, or like the Oraimo FreePods 3, but you are getting more of the vocals being clear and the treble is up there. So if you are someone like me or a bass head like me, you won't like this much when you use it straight out of the box. Mind you, you can actually sync it up with the Oraimo Sound App to tune it up. You can use the Oraimo Sound App to EQ the sound quality of these earbuds, and you are going to make it more bassy and punchy to your own taste. I recommend this Oraimo FreePods LITE to you. Fine, it's not with the ANC, that is active noise cancellation feature on the Oraimo FreePods Pro. It's not with the transparency mode or every other stuff like that. It's not with all these bells and whistles, but it comes with a decent battery life that can last you for 40 hours, guys. Where are you going to get that from? And also it comes with decent call quality. It comes with a very good sound quality, which you can also EQ with the Oraimo Sound App. Even the Oraimo FreePods 3 doesn't come with Oraimo Sound App, except you are going for the Oraimo FreePods 3C, which I'm going to be doing the video very soon. I recommend this Oraimo FreePods LITE to you. If you're on a tight budget, you can get it right now. If you also want to gift it to someone that just wants an earbud, you can get this Oraimo FreePods LITE for the person. And please use the discount code shown right on your screen to get anything from Oraimo, including this Oraimo FreePods LITE from their eShop website, and you'll be supporting our channel one way or the other. If you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. Bye for now. Peace.